The immortal jellyfish. Yeah, that's right, immortal. Its scientific name is Turritopsis dohrnii, and it's got a trick up its sleeve that sounds straight out of science fiction. When life gets tough, most creatures deal with it. Or well, don't. But the immortal jellyfish, it basically hits a reset button. If it's threatened, sick, or even aging, it can revert its body all the way back to its earliest stage of life, a tiny baby polyp. Then it grows up again, like rewinding a movie and hitting play. Technically, this process can go on forever unless it gets eaten or something else takes it out. Now, before you start searching for jellyfish elixirs, remember, immortality in nature isn't quite as magical as it sounds. Biologically, what's happening is called transdifferentiation. It's where cells transform into different types,